This is a deluxe studio in the new island tower at Disney's Polynesian Villas and Bungalows. Today we are staying in room 8440, so let's head on in and take a look. As we walk into our deluxe studio here at the new island tower, you'll notice immediately off to the right here, this is going to be a door to the adjoining one-bedroom villa. This room can be booked as part of a two-bedroom lock-off. Right now, behind this door is the adjoining one-bedroom, which would make this the second bedroom. But today, we're not going to worry about that. We're going to take a look here at our deluxe studio. Starting off to the left here, this is going to be the bathroom in the deluxe studio with a mirror immediately off to the right. Inside this bathroom on the right here, you are going to find a one-sink vanity with provided sea salt body lotion and bar bath soap. You do have two 120 outlets available off to the right as well. And this nice little lit bathroom mirror. Off to the right, they do provide you with 4 washcloths and a box of tissues. And then on this wall over here, you do have a lit makeup mirror available. You have 2 hand towels off to the left as well, with some additional storage behind it. And then underneath the sink, you have your in-room hair dryer, you have 4 bath towels, and then there is a little wastebasket hidden on the right-hand side. Now across from the vanity is going to be your walk-in glass-walled shower with provided shower mat. No bathtub in this deluxe studio. I don't know if that's something that can be requested if you are staying in a studio, but just bear that in mind. If you book a studio, you may not be guaranteed a bathtub. You have a little cubby over here to store your own toiletries if you bring your own. And then on the right here, you do have the provided wall-mounted Sea Marine shampoo and conditioner and sea salt body washes. 2 shower heads in the shower. You have the rainfall shower head right above, and then you do have a handheld shower head here and a bench if you wish to sit during your shower. And this shower does also include a retractable clothesline for hanging bathing suits and other clothes that may need to be line dried. You do have a towel hook up here and another towel hook down here. Then back here is where you're going to find the toilet room. The toilet room does have its own separate light switch inside, wastebasket off to the left, toilet paper and extra toilet paper. And there is a towel rod here if you wanted to hang up towels in the toilet room. The toilet room, interestingly enough, is separated by this frosted glass door that provides absolutely zero noise protection. And if I walk inside here, there's no way to lock this door. So, if you are going to use the toilet, I would strongly recommend using this little sliding door here. Closing this, and then your locking mechanism is going to be off to the side, and then nobody can open the door. However, this door is not 100% soundproof. Now, across from the bathroom out here is going to be your closet space. The closet does light up when you open the door. On the left side, tucked way back here is going to be your ironing board, and then right up top is going to be your steam iron in this bag here. And then off to the left, you have your extra pillow and blanket. Inside the closet, you do have a luggage rack available for you. And then on the left side, you'll see that they provide you with a laundry basket. They have a drawer style, or excuse me, a large safe right here, and a little storage cubby underneath the safe. And of course, plenty of hangers for you to hang up clothes. Now we come in here to the living room space. Disney gives you this little extra area down here, I'm assuming to place bags or for you to sit down and whatnot. No cushion in this little cutout here, but there is a little cubby underneath for you to store additional items. And then right over here, you do have 2 120 volt outlets, 1 USB-C port, and then 2 USB-A ports. You do have a little sitting nook off here that is cushioned with this table here. that can be moved around if needed. Now, in the newer DVC remodels, the studios do get some extra amenities. You'll see here on the countertop, you do have a sink with paper towels. You have two 120-volt outlets off to the side here as well. They provide you with hand dish soap, dishwasher detergent, a sponge, and a dish towel. And then you do get your combination Keurig 12-cup carafe and K-cup coffee maker here, with your in-room coffees and teas, your sugars and sugar substitutes, as well as your dairy creamer. Above the countertop here, you do get a little tiny microwave in this room. And then in the cabinets is going to be a little different from most DVC rooms, or studios I should say. They do provide you with glassware and ceramic hot drink cups, and then you do have a toaster oven up top here as well. Normally in DVC studios, you don't get actual dishware. You get like paper cups, paper dishes, plastic cutlery. They are kind of moving away from that. This cabinet above the microwave is a whole lot of nothing. Just like a tiny little pantry of sorts if you wanted to bring some smaller food items. This cabinet over here is where you're going to have your dishware. And this other cabinet over here is mostly empty as well. There is an ice chest at the very top here if you wanted to use the hotel's ice maker. They do give you that option. Now below the countertop, this studio does have a mini dishwasher here. Functions just like your dishwasher at home. But like I said, newer DVC studios are getting the mini dishwashers. We saw this at the Villas at Disneyland Hotel, and quite honestly, it makes these studios much more appealing for longer stays if needed. Under the sink here, some extra storage space, and then Disney does provide you with a dish drying rack, extra paper towels, extra dish towels, as well as extra hand dish soap, an extra sponge, and extra dishwasher detergent. Moving over to the right, this drawer here has all of your in-room silverware, and they do also provide you with a bottle opener and a can opener. And then this right here is going to be your in-room trash and recycling cans, and they do provide you with one trash bag. And then a little mini refrigerator over here as well. This is actually a pretty decent sized mini fridge. No freezer section, so you can't have ice cream or Mickey bars in here. But this will get the job done for those who are staying in the studios. Your in-room thermostat is also going to be right over here next to your coffee pot. Now this is the living and bedroom space here. Off to the left you have this little tiny table, which is actually kind of heavy, so I'm just going to leave that there. You have your 2-cushion couch, which does pull down into a queen-size Murphy bed. You have some artwork above this couch here, which is inspired by Polynesian culture, and it is slightly inspired by the art styles that you see in the movie Moana. And then you do have your queen-size bed over here on a raised platform, so you can store bags underneath this bed if need be. This queen bed does have 4 available pillows to choose from. And the bed does have these little tiny nightstands available on either side with this teeny tiny little storage cubby, which I'm not actually a fan of. They have these in the Fort Wilderness cabins, the new refurbished ones, and I actually do not like this. You have this light switch above each of these nightstands with 2 120-volt outlets that turn on and off the lights on either side of the bed, and this little accent light above the headboard. Headboard in this bed does also have individual reading lights on both sides, and there are light switches on either side of the bed, and they both control all of these lights. So if I flip the switch here, you'll see all the lights come on and off. So if you and your sleeping partner are having disagreements over whether you want the lights on and off, you can fight each other without even leaving your side of the bed. The nightstand on this side does have the in-room phone, and it does have a Bible sleeve for you as well. Now across from the bed, you do have a 55-inch flat screen TV with the set-top box that is hotel and room specific. You have a 3-drawer dresser on this countertop here. Nice wide drawers, so plenty of storage space. You do have a little desk area here too with this stool that you can move out and you can get some work done. Some shelves above the desk over here on this side. You do have a Hey Disney Alexa device in this room, and you do have a desk lamp that can be turned on and off using the switch here. The desk lamp does have two USB-A ports built in, and it does have two 120 volt outlets built in as well. You can unplug this Hey Disney device if you want access to that additional outlet. Now this particular studio is a theme park view studio, and it does come with its own balcony here. This is going to be your balcony in the Deluxe studio. Our view here is a theme park view room. So right now we do have a view of the Magic Kingdom, Cinderella Castle, the Grand Floridian, the Wedding Pavilion over there. And we do also have a view of Seven Seas Lagoon and the Contemporary Resort. Your balcony does come with two chairs and a little table here. And it does provide an excellent view of the fireworks. There's the rest of the Polynesian Resort right over there. Here is what the studio looks like with the pull-down Murphy bed pulled all the way down. You do have plenty of space to walk around if need be. Now with the Murphy bed pulled down, you do have this nice little artwork here of the island of Te Fiti going to sleep. You do have a little motif of Maui off to the side as well. Each side of this Murphy bed does also come equipped with two 120 volt outlets, one USB-C and one USB 3 port, and a switch to turn on and off the accent lighting above Te Fiti there. So that is our walkthrough of the Deluxe Theme Park View Studio at the Island Tower at Disney's Polynesian Villas and Bungalows. Points values for this room vary depending on the time of year and how many nights you are staying. For one night during a weekday at the end of May, this room costs 27 points. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like this in the future, please be sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Monorail Central for more Walt Disney World, Disneyland, Disney Vacation Club, and Disney Cruise Line content, as well as more Walt Disney World Monorail project. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you all real soon.